Hello to our Mastering Pure Variance tutorial. Today we will focus on the settings of the feature object while working with Pure Variance feature model. Our goal today will be understanding the dependencies. So let's get started. In Pure Variance, relation refers to the logical and structural connections between features that define how they can be combined or excluded within a product line. These relations are crucial for capturing the variability and constraints within the model. So let's take a look at how we can open the panel to set up the relations. We have a few types of relations. A mandatory relation means a feature must be included if its parent feature is included. For instance, Bluetooth feature might be mandatory for connectivity. We also have optional relations. An optional relation means a feature can be included or excluded. For example, Wi-Fi under connectivity could be optional. We also have alternative relations, which allow choosing one feature from a group. And also we have OR relations, which allow selecting one or more features from a group, like selecting multiple sensors for a device. Going further, we have constraints. Constraint is a rule that defines allowable combinations of features within a product configuration. Constraints ensure that selected features are compatible and adhere to the defined dependencies and exclusions, preventing invalid or contradictory feature combinations. For example, we have a requires constraint, which means that selecting one feature necessitates another. For example, if GPS is selected, then location services must also be selected. We also have an excludes constraint, which means that selecting one feature prohibits another. And last but not least, we have restrictions. Restriction is a rule or condition applied to limit or govern the selection and combination of features within a product configuration, ensuring that only valid and compatible features are chosen according to specified criteria. So restrictions are conditions applied to limit feature selection, ensuring only valid and compatible configurations. They govern how features can be combined. So remember, to define relations, create a parent-child structure. Set features as mandatory, optional, alternative, or features as needed. To apply constraints, use the interface to add requires or conflicts between features. This ensures only valid configurations are possible. To set restrictions, define conditions that limit feature selection. This helps in managing complex product configurations. Now that we know how to establish relations between elements in pure variance, we can move further with creating a full-scale variant model. See you next time.